flavor that I'm adding into it. Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil over it. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're in my cooking oil. I am doing garlic baked chicken today. Yes, so now this is completely dressed. Put it in the oven, so these are the various seasoning. So these are the only seasoning that is left. Bell peppers and scallion, these will go on it towards the end of the journey. Alright, so everything is already seasoned. Yes, I do it differently. Nothing was pre-seasoned. Yes, everything was done right here in front of you, so you get to see what I did. And so now it's going to be in the oven. So once it's baked and it's completely cooked, you'll get to see what is going on. Alright. Alright, my friends, so now I'm going to put a tray inside. It's very heavy. Yes, very heavy. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is my garlic chicken. Yes, that I'll be doing it today. Alright, my friends, that's what the chicken looks like so far. Alright. This side, you get some color and some of the liquid can dry out. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is my garlic baked chicken, oven baked garlic chicken that I'm doing here today on the Winston Joe TV in my cooking oil. Friends, see how pretty they look? Those are the garlic baked chicken, oven baked garlic chicken, yes. Alright, so I'm going to turn them over, get some color on the other side. All this color is natural, no artificial color, alright? Everything is natural. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This liquid here, I'm going to turn it into a sauce. This liquid that came out from the vegetable chicken in the oven. So I'm going to add some ingredients to it and then make a sauce. Add butter to it and probably some half of cream and then add the sauce with it. That will be the gravy for the chicken. You're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. For my friends, making some sauce for the chicken. Alright, so this is stock from the chicken. Yes, this is stock that came from the chicken. I didn't add no water. What's in the water? All the stock came from the chicken. So now I just add some water in it. And some sauce. You're watching Winston cooking.
Tell me how to agree with me.
So I'm making the sauce that will be used as gravy for the chicken. So I'm making fried carrots. That will be it, of course. You're watching Winston cooking. Time to start TV. I'm gonna add my carrots. You're watching Winston cooking, and it's going to be on YouTube. In a few minutes, it's ready. It's completed sandwich. Completed birthday. But this is basically done. Yes, this is basically this is done. You're watching this Alright, my friends, this is the finished product. Garlic oven baked chicken. And you've seen this on Winston cooking. Thank you for viewing. Alright. So this is